and welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City to show you this modern Mediterranean home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation facing north, for this gate, the entrance for your 6-vehicle carport, your front yard garden, and it complements well dito sa facade ng property, which is modern Mediterranean home, and your pedestrian gate. From your pedestrian gate, itong space na ito, which is the common area dito sa outdoor space ng property, we have rough textured porcelain tiles para non-skid sa mga dadaan dito kapag umuulan, ganoon din with your vehicles. So on the left side, again, you have your plant box and side garden. So it balances the design ng buong property na napakagandang tingnan din. In this space, ito yung the room for your driver or male staff quarters dun sa itaas with your spiral and their toilet and bath. Security gate going to the side of the property, mamaya daanan natin ito pagka nasa loob na tayo. Very practical yung design nito and it complements well dito sa ating adobe cladding, itong inyong flooring. No? Your porch and your 2-vehicle carport, which is also covered by a canopy. And yung other 4 vehicles, wala na. Pero you still have an option to cover this area no, by a trellis with your tempered glass or acrylic. Well, depende sa inyo. So we have this space. Mapapansin nyo rin na maluwag pa for your 6-vehicle carport. And if you have more than 6 vehicles, kasya pa in this space. But again, depende sa owner kung paano nila gustong i-maximize itong area na ito. And by the way, for this property, very near dun sa main gate, which is Madrigal. And you still have the privacy, hindi daanin itong area na ito, which is located itong property. Your porch, and also covered. Ganda rin ng space in this area. An accent wall, which is adobe cladding. And your main door. Pasok tayo, and welcome to your home. As we enter dito sa inyong property, dito sa inyong main door, you will be greeted by your foyer and your receiving area. Well, first impression is lots of natural light and diretso yung side view mo going dito sa inyong swimming pool, which is one of the focal point nitong property. Immediately mararamdaman niyo yung ganda ng cross ventilation or nung airflow nitong bahay because of the huge sliding doors surrounding in every common area of this house. First, for the flooring natin, homogeneous tiles with matte texture. You have your AC para dito sa inyong receiving area. So on the left side, ito yung inyong bedroom 1. Okay, so if you have elderlies with you, ayaw na gumamit ng stairs, this is the perfect spot for them. And itong walk-in closet with ensuite toilet and bath. So for the flooring dito sa bedroom, porcelain tiles with wood grain design. So this is the location of your bed frame, king size or maybe pwede yung custom size bed no kasya in this space. The location of the television set. And maybe in this area, pwedeng deep cabinets or a vanity area. You have your AC. So talagang furnitures na lang and few appliances yung dadalhin nyo, no, yung prefer nyo. So for this room, itong inyong sliding door, lots of natural light. And again, if you want to enjoy yung outdoor space, so you have this side garden and also yung fresh air now to reduce the use of your AC. For the sliding door, meron tayong screen, no? Kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng during the day. Kasi minsan kapag laging close yung sliding doors and sliding windows nyo, talaga nagkakaroon din ng molds kapag ka laging enclosed. So, mas maganda rin yung bukas yung sliding door during the day. So, itong side garden nyo up to here. Ayan. So, tingnan na rin natin ito. Ganda ng paligid ng property. 2 meters yung setback from the perimeter and in front 3 meters naman. Kaya ang ganda ng circulation ng hangin. And in this area, ito naman yung storage room para sa mga lumang gamit ninyo or anything na ginagamit nyo outdoor. And itong inyong additional security gate in this space. So mamaya tingnan natin yung back of the property. Ganda ng landscape in this area, itong inyong side garden. Again, it balanced the design. After all of the structure, you still have this patch of nature, no, in every outdoor space ng property. So coming from your bedroom 1, by the way, bago tayo pumunta dito, you have your powder room dito sa ilalim ng stairs. But currently, maraming nakalagay na excess materials for this property kasi may few retouches pa sila. So, hindi ko sa inyo may papakita. But, very spacious din yung inyong powder room. Again, your receiving area. Okay, so let's take a look at this area muna na bago tayo pumunta dun sa inyong formal dining and kitchen. In this space, ito yung inyong magiging lanay, which is also covered. So for the flooring in this area, WPC or wood plastic composite with texture. So para hindi madulas, no, if coming from the pool or kapag nababasa itong space na ito. And also protected na rin from outside elements, so hindi mabilis masira itong mga wood plastic composite with mixture of plastic fibers and wood elements. Dito sa dulo, ito yung inyong water feature. So, asarap pakinggan yan during the day kapag bukas yung inyong fountain, especially if you have visitors. You also have your built-in bench for a quick conversation, no? Well, depende sa inyo. Pero from this view, ang ganda nung tignan nitong area nito, well lit. Itong space na to, lalo kapag during at night. Very warm and cozy vibe din because of the warm lights installed, which are LED. Ang ganda rin, of course, ng natural light because this is located dito sa outdoor space. So, this is the center of the property, no, ganda. And mapapansin nyo rin itong stainless cover. So, meron na rin tayo ditong cistern tank for this property. And in this small space, mapapansin nyo ang ganda ng landscape. So, in every corner of the property talaga, we have this kind of area which is, it really balanced the design. Especially after all of the structure, you have this tiny oasis na napakagandang tingnan. Another security door, going naman ito doon sa inyong kitchen or doon sa inyong outdoor service area. We'll show you later yon. And on the other side, again, you have your patch of greenery and this room para sa inyong water pump dito sa inyong swimming pool and your cistern tank for the water utilities. And ito yung door which connects dun sa inyong side garden na dinaanan natin kanina, no, while habang pinapakita namin sa inyo yung bedroom 1. So this is the storage room. Ito yung spacious storage room nyo din. So balik tayo dito sa loob. And kunyari man you're into al fresco, no? This is the perfect spot for that, which is, again, you are covered from outside elements. Kitang-kita nyo rin yung lahat ng movements ng tao, no? So perfect spot during the morning or in the afternoon with your coffee table in this area. And in front is another bedroom. Well, depende sa inyo if how you want to maximize this space. Currently, nakasetup ito as maybe a dining area or parang a gazebo which is also connected sa property, or maybe simply gamitin nyo as your bedroom 2 for your guests. So this is the location of their king-size bed. Huge AC. Lots of natural light from your huge sliding door. So yan, you have the view nung inyong swimming pool. Ang ganda nito as the guest room, no? And ito yung ensuite toilet and bath, the water closet, the shower space, the under-mounted lavatory, and your sauna bath. So, ito yung kumukompleto sa idea na this is a guest room. Well, again, depende sa inyo. And going back, by the way, you have provision for your hanging lights dito sa inyong receiving or living space. So we have this archway going in dito sa inyong formal dining. For this area, around maybe up to 10-seater dining table kasha in this space, or even 12, well, depende sa inyo. You still have your AC and your hanging lights. Again, in every corner of this property, you have an access going to outdoor, and ang ganda rin na cross ventilation in every space, and ganoon din with the natural light. Your huge sliding door with powder-coated aluminum, tempered glass, and your built-in screen. So ito yung inyong side garden, if fronting on the property right side. And ito yung security gate. Okay. So kanina, meron tayong male staff quarters doon sa right side of the property. Mamaya pakita namin sa inyo yung female staff quarters, yung room nila, no? So in this space, ito naman yung inyong main kitchen or the showcase kitchen area. What's good in the location nitong inyong kitchen, you can also extend yung yung seating capacity ng inyong dining area up to here dito sa inyong spacious or huge island counter, which kasha around 5 to 6 kitchen stools. Perfect spot for your informal dining or a quick work area. So we have itong inyong quartz finish or itong marble finish for your countertop. Ganon din dito sa ating L-shaped counter. It also comes with additional storage space para sa inyong cutleries and utensils. So ayan, lots of cabinets or base cabinets para sa inyong island counter. We also have itong inyong wine chiller. And on the other side, for our hanging cabinets naman, so these are modular cabinets. Your built-in microwave, tall cabinets, lots of storage space. Your two-door refrigerator. You also have your split-type AC, which is also covered para mas presentable tignan. See-through cabinets, again, base cabinets for additional storage space. Ito naman yung inyong L-shaped counter for additional food preparation space, together with your under-mounted sink, lots of natural light coming from your huge window. And on this side, ito naman yung inyong oven, your 5 induction cooker, which is already integrated na dito sa inyong counter. Ganon din with the box flush with your heavy-duty Havel range hood. So talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo. No? Ganda ng space na ito. And again, this area is also connected dito sa inyong swimming pool. So mas madali mag-serve ng food dito sa inyong mga guests or relatives. And kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy yung lulutuin nyo in the future, we have this space. But before that, meron tayong walk-in pantry para mas madali mag-organize ng inyong dry goods. So if you have heavy cooking, so this is the perfect spot for that. Your second two-door refrigerator, again, tall cabinets for your dry goods or canned goods. Itong space naman na ito is, again, your walk-in pantry. Ayan, so lots of storage space. Your counter with your sink, 3 gas burners, your oven, and your range hood. So kasi in this space, additional counter, and dito sa dulo, ito naman yung inyong laundry area. So additional counter, the area para sa inyong automated washing machine and dryer, floor to ceiling cabinet para sa mga storage area ng inyong laundry, maybe for your detergents or other na things na ginagamit nyo. And syempre, after the laundry, this is the perfect spot for the drying area. And mapapansin nyo rin, no, covered itong area na ito by a security gate and wall. So you have the privacy for your clothes. Okay, so ayan, open siya. Although meron tayong canopy around 1 meter. Ang luwag in this property. Additional counter for additional activity kung naman yung gagawin dito ng kasambahay ninyo. And ito naman yung pwede shower area ng inyong pets. And this room para sa inyong female staff quarters with own toilet and bath. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So yan, meron yung clip. Oh, yan. Panonoorin nyo na lang. So let's go back now. Papunta tayo dito sa second floor naman. Okay, so we're done here dito sa ground floor. Akit naman tayo sa itaas. For the stairs, engineered wood with step lights installed and solid wood handrails with your metal balustrades. Lots of natural light in this area coming from your sliding window. Here's the second floor. We have total of 4 bedrooms. So total of 6 bedrooms in this house and 4 yun nandito sa itaas. First, itong inyong common area. So we have this, itong inyong family area dito sa second floor. Ang ganda ng cross ventilation because of this opening which is coming from your foyer with your double height ceiling. Ang ganda rin ng natural light, no? So parang kayo may indoor balcony. Your tall cabinets para sa inyong linens. Again, this spacious common area. By the way, for the flooring, porcelain tiles with haspi or wood grain design. The television set in this area, ayan. Ganda ng space na ito, no? You also have your huge AC para in this space. Cove ceiling design and you have an access going here dito sa inyong balcony which is one of the advantage. Ang ganda ng airflow sa loob ng property and again the natural light. From this area, you have the view ng inyong swimming pool. So tingnan natin yung bedroom 3 in this dito sa second floor. Okay, so for your bedroom 3, the location of your bed frame, huge windows, your AC, floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage, and for the ensuite toilet and bath, meron na rin tayong area for the vanity with your vanity mirror and counter, water closet, your under-mounted sink, and a shower space with enclosure. Coming from your bedroom 3, again, one of my favorite area in this house, itong common area ninyo, no? Ganda. So this is your bedroom 4 or the master bedroom. The location of your custom size bed or king size bed. Again, huge AC. Location of your media wall or television set. Your walk-in closet, itong inyong vanity area with your vanity mirror, see-through cabinets, maybe for your bags or shoes. Island counter para sa inyong mga jewelries or watches with soft close hinges. Soft close drawers. Again, tall cabinets on either side para sa inyong clothes. Ayan, with LED lights installed. And dito sa dulo, your dual vanity or your dual lavatory with under-mounted sink, the shower space with enclosure, and your water closet. Going back dito sa inyong common area, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 5. And by the way, lahat ng common areas dito sa property, we have CCTV camera installed. So this is your bedroom 5. Location again of your bed frame, your ensuite toilet and bath, and your walk-in closet. Going back dito sa inyong family area, lastly, your bedroom 6. Facing in front of the property, location of your bed frame, your spacious walk-in closet, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern Mediterranean home located here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts in our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.